Okay, we're here at the temple. This is our first praying for a miracle. We're praying for children to be recovering from GBM brain cancer. Our goal is to send the birds their name after John, Claire, and Andrea. Andrea, the black one. And Claire, yeah, she's adopted. He's adopted from Europe somewhere. I don't know. That's really funny. Anyway, we're here to pray that he's fully healed by eating healthy food. The cancer cell will be healthy cell then, and we want her to be here more because she's needed by her family and friends, and also her clients, like the temple, like the Japanese temple, the old physics stuff as well. And so, right now, we do the maybe they need another prayer. Maybe, Teresa, you want to say something? No fighting. Andrea, no fighting with John. No, come on, go up to heaven, guys. Come on, go, no fighting. No. They like the golden cake. No, I know. They love the temple weed. How about you? You want to do it? Okay, aren't they beautiful? Yeah, we're here at the temple. The birds don't want to leave. Oh my God, they're flying now. Oh, they're gone. They're going up to heaven. Circling. Oh, they're going that way. They're going that way. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Ooh, look at how fast they are. Ooh, Andrea, stop fighting. They're going for it. Oh my God, how beautiful. So magic. They're going up to heaven. Children gonna be here. I have a feeling it's a miracle. They're flying together like a family should. Up to heaven, telling God, please help children recover from this awful cancer, GBM. The doctors don't know what they're saying. Only God at the time. And with the temple weed, we're going to be growing weed for children. But you don't have to, with the help of the recap. I'll be going to that weed. Beautiful. Where the song for us. Everything Thank you so much, everybody, for being here at the temple read.